Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Yo, hear me, man. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You know what go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Watch. You know a loud explosion boy. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. So right about now, you know, I see the whole internet catching a straight frenzy. Is where I deal with all because of some fabrication story. I don't know where the story I come from, you know. But I the same black rhino thing me I talk about. But here what I go say. First and foremost, I want the people them who subscribe to my channel know this. You see, although, cause straight up, my channel is a Gaza's channel. You see, although I'm a Gaza, I say, me's a man me not come with no look a full lollipop story come tell my subscriber them. You see what I deal with? So you see, if a man want to dig up dirt pan Gaza, if him come forward with that, I see that correct, me's a man me not go say nothing about it. I don't ever go numerate, much less say participate tonight. But you see, if way I say, a fuckery I say, the general I go sound the big thing them naturally, actually, and fracturally, and on a lollipop thing that. Cause some deal with my thing and some my channel build, some build my channel. But me no build my channel off on a riot story. Me no work them way there. And if you notice, me is a man who can talk about anything at all. You see when I deal, me just choose where to talk about. Because what I would mostly like to talk about are the ghetto youth and the ghetto people. Because I know it by heart. You see when I deal with, and I don't have to hear shit from nobody to talk about that. Because that is something where I live verbally. You understand what I say? First and foremost, I go big up JA Radio TV. Because I'm going to tell you why I go big up JA Radio. One way down in I think early up in a last year, I think JA Radio and CMR, I see them with the same video about Vybz Kartel. I forgot the video what about. I mean, a man do a video against JA Radio and CMR, But listen to me. My dust did start sound the big thing them time there. And by me just watching JA Radio, you see me, him and him girl, him and Shakira, Wiz and Shakira, the two of them intelligent in them own way. You see what I deal with? And the reason why me as a man like the platform where them have is not just JA Radio because any and everybody can call in from all over the world and reason with them. Sometimes it can sound like a debate and sometimes it can sound like a reasoning and sometimes it can sound like a criticism. But all of that good. You understand me? And the most beautiful part of it to me is Wiz and Shaq. Them are like wife and husband. You see when I deal with them as a couple, so it's a good look that for the whole heap of individual all over the world. You see when I deal with for see how them can come together and you can see the respect what them have for each other because you can see that easily on the show. So so you're supposed to know say it's something more better personally for them as a couple. You understand me? And for can you show off that sense of humor there of both of you. You understand me? On the large platform, there a whole heap of people can look on it and learn a thing or two from it. Is what I deal with when it comes to relationships. So the man them thing is a number one thing for me. You see what I deal with? Me not have no doubt about that. You see me? I'm a respect them to the fullest, you understand me? Because what them a do on a lollipop thing, You understand me? So it's not all about whiz and shock. Sometimes listen to the people them were calling, listen to the story with them off and them shit there. Sometimes we can't just have the ego for talk up a mouth or try to contradict somebody. You have to have the ego for listen and learn to, you know, my virgin. Because and because when me I go ignorant or me I go hardcore or me I go aggressive, you don't really feel like that a ignorance, you know. That are not ignorance, you know. No, me just being aggressive. But ignorance is when you don't know, you know, my virgin. And when you don't know, you know, and then you don't want to hold a debate about it, you know. And you don't know, you know. And that are ignorance. And when my cuss bumbuckler, that are not ignorant, that are just words. You hear that? And on a lollipop thing. So here we go on. The next man me I go big up a Soulflow TV. You see what me I deal with? And if him could have come together with him girl and have something like what Wiz and Shock have, is a brilliant thing because you hear what I have them people, there are some respectable people to the way how them deal with them things. You see me? I big up Video Link Jamaica because I don't think no man do review like Video Link Jamaica. He have his own style, his own technique. The man thing shot from top to bottom. And a lollipop thing. You hear that? So I big up Video Link Jamaica every time because I'm creative. Him thing sick out of this world. You hear that? I big up Ear to Boss because you hear what? Them youth they gun it up for Gaza and no lollipop thing. And them youth they go tell you their mind in a split second. No laughing thing about it. You see what I deal with? But them youth they now go come out of them character and go like them want telling a lie for hype up themselves. Yo, me's a man, you know, when me lick out pan a blogger, you know, it's not because me I say Gaza I want lick out pan him, you know. No, me lick out plan a blogger because him a tell lie and me know say a lie him a tell her. That's why me lick out pan him. And that's why when me sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, you never hear no boy really answer me yet. More than one fish from out of England when name AKA Fish Tea. I run him off of the radio. I run him off of YouTube. Me run him off of YouTube, gun him down. A Real Chat TV, me used to do my chat pan, and it was my channel. But me gun him down pan it. Because I see my try violate Ear to Boss and the same youth there when name CMR. Yo, although me's a man gun up CMR when him do him fuckery, you know. When him crash and turn over him vehicle, me's a man go over him page, go make him know, say, you know, me give thanks, you know. Say nothing at all not happen to you, you know. You know what I mean? And God bless, you know, and big him up and them shit there, you know. Because this thing upon the YouTube, you know, for no say, you know, you see how much blogger there on YouTube. It has to be a competition. It's a competition that gonna come when you have so much people, you have so much competitor. It has to be a competition. But at this say it stop, my brethren. At this say it stop on YouTube and not personal. It's just like an artist. Don't go into the game if you can't manage it. And you can't want to go into the game and come with some look of foolishness and then you not think, no, you not forget to criticize it. Because all them people that come with the right thing, people still criticize them. Christ never do the right thing and the man them still crucify him. What not talk about? You see what I deal with? I don't know, joke thing I talk about, but I say, if you chat lollipop thing and the people them sound the big thing because them find you can't share with your lollipop shit where you chat about. You can't come make no form of havoc feed or go like you want vex or you want havoc people or you want disrespect people and I get out of your character now because people catch up on you and you liar thing and you fuck. When me I tell you, when me show you my GT virgin and the man I make you know nothing happen to her, you know. If you don't notice good, I just allow him make him talk. A whole heap of things I could say and I say nothing. I know I can say beer shit and I not say nothing. I don't know where it come from. I don't know if it's a stunt. I don't know what I go on. Not at all. But I know Sarah is not good. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And I know a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? So you have to know what you go on with. So you see all CMR, let me tell you something. You're not supposed to blame JA Radio for nothing. Now you're not supposed to have no indicted feelings to the people them. A lollipop thing you go on with my virgin. And how you do that, you're going to look like a dirty heart you have on them shit there. Wiz and Shakira, them a clean person, dog. You know see that too, man? A clean person, them, man. In my time when me there in the ghetto in a jungle, you know, if you all fuck on somebody like them people, you know, the man them go want hurt you, you know. Because the man them have them people are some clean, good people, quiet people, when not too in and a fucker, you know. So if them people in that, you know, go bring no fucker to them type of people, you know, my virgin. You know, see that, man, you know, need glasses to see that. Me not know them personally, you know, but you know, see them personality, man. You know, see them personality, it can't go far from that, my virgin. Them people in too in that, my virgin. Leave the people them alone, my virgin, because I uno put out the words enough. If you put out shit in and I get cuss or critics about it, you have to take it in because now you put it out. That's why people can't talk about it. If you never put out nobody couldn't talk about it. So if the people you put out shit and the people them talk about it, what kind of foolishness you not going with? Yo, let me tell you something, you know. A whole heap of thing man can do to YouTube, you know, but man not really run down them shit there, you know. Me tell you now what I do, you know. I gun up boy violate Gaza and I chat about anything when I feel like what I want to talk about it. You see what I deal about one thing with me. Me's a man, me not come and yes, I come tell no lie. You see where I deal it because this is not something when I run down. You see where I deal it? And furthermore, as much as owner see man even wrap it up on YouTube in a personal life means a man who more love observe more than how I talk. If you know me personally, a whole heap of people see me shit and them can't even believe me. You see where I deal with? That's why I know so much shit. Because you have to observe. Sometimes the call is not for you. You understand me? But man can chat all day to the amount of shit we man know about anything. You see what I deal with? Some of you know no history and nothing at all and you want to come chat about this and chat about that. And when people find in a country, you now go like a vibes thing you want to deal with. And the people them pan J area, I tell you something, you know. I talk this already pan here to live, you know. Yo, you know, know say J area there is an international program, you know. My virgin. So you see when time you call in and get the people them, you try Dave, you know, right and proper manner, you know, where it can put off a nice shine, you know, to the rest of the world, you know. Because I know there's one set of people that watch the man them, you know. And sometimes when I come with some look of foolishness like a vibes business on one deal it. The man them program and all that, you know. Because enough time means a man will try for call in and get J area there and can't get them too busy the man them thing is, you know. Me say J forget J area that come like winning the lotto, you know. That's how hard me think the man them thing is, you know. So when the people them call in and get the man them thing, don't come up on the man them thing with no boogie aga thing and not tell the man them about no same man and nobody at all. Man, make the people them go through with the program where them are dealing. Them program wasn't about that. And spoil the people them program in the night, yeah, man, with beer illiteracy. I not even like it, man, because it shouldn't even go that way, the man, because it's not so the people them start out them program. Me not like it. You see me? Because regular I call in and want to get J area, them I like talk to people like them there. People when I go judge them, I go listen, and if you talk foolishness, them I go make you know, say, well then at that, whatever. Me not really like I talk to people and I tell them shit and them don't know what I talk about, you know. So not everybody can talk to about certain shit, you know. You have to talk to people who can relate back to you, you know. I mean, I really deal with lollipop thing, you know my thing already, you know. So me tell you something, you know, black up on YouTube. When time you drop on a video, you know, and you come with an animated and fabricate story, if I even lie on a plan up with nobody and company and nobody sound up, yo, you take whatever you put out, because I want to put out and get back, you know. You can't plan corn and peace come an impossible thing, you know. Say if I lie, you tell nobody can't come talk about, say, well, then I chew you that talk, you know. Or that you don't want people to say a true not talk when I fucking lie story when I bring out. You wanna upset that my virgin. I wanna need to apologize to the fucking subscriber them. More than that they call up J.A. Radio name. And a lollipop thing. Or the general 10-star one I don't know when me I represent a full effect. And you know when me sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment and a lollipop thing. And me not care who anybody at all you hear me open my mouth and say nothing about. Me not deal with no lying thing on my channel. What? 10-star way me represent